अभी हम लास्ट वीडियो में मैं दिया था तुमको कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के बारे में। तो आज पढ़ेंगे कुछ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, इट इज हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस के बारे में। तो बिफोर गोइंग टू दिस we'll have to know about what is the angle of depression, what is the angle of elevation, etc. So that concept we must have so that we can solve so many related questions basing on trigonometric ratios, so that the problems of height and distance can be solved so easily. So पहले मैं बोलूँगा तुमको एंगल ऑफ इलेवेशन क्या है। एंगल ऑफ इलेवेशन ये क्या है। ये कोई भी लोअर पार्ट से कोई एक टावर है, दिस इज ए टावर एंड दिस इज द फुट ऑफ द टावर। सो दिस इज द ग्राउंड लेवल। सो ये ग्राउंड लेवल कोई कुछ डिस्टेंस, some distance away from this foot of this tower. If the angle of elevation is given in any question, angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a certain point which is certain distance away from the foot, that is this is called elevation. Elevation means upper. This is elevation. Understood? So sometimes in questions it might be given 30 degree, it may be given 45 degree, like that. And accordingly, with the help of these trigonometric ratios, you can solve such type of questions. So we must have the idea about the angle of elevation. Understood? Similarly, एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, हमारे पास एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन का भी नॉलेज होना चाहिए। क्या है ये एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन? देखो, एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन जो है, एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन तो ये एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन क्या है? दिस इज एंगल ऑफ इलेवेशन जैसा कि एक लोअर पॉइंट से अपर पॉइंट तक हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, उसका जो एंगल बनता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ बेसिंग ऑन दिस ग्राउंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ इलेवेशन. But here in this angle of depression, from a higher point to a lower point. For example, H, let it is a tower and it is another tower. It is another tower, and it has been told in the question that the angle of depression is 30 degree. Angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degree from this higher point. So which one is the angle of depression? Not this, rather this is called angle of depression. Always it is been given that from a higher point to a lower point, this is called angle of depression. Means how in this horizontal line, how it is depressed, how much angle it is depressed, that is called angle of depression. So this may be 30 degree, 45 degree, or something else. The questions will be given like this. So we must have this idea about the angle of depression or angle of elevation. Understood? Now I would like to give you a questions here related to this. Here you just see a question, you just note it down. A tower stands vertically on the ground. A tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away, from the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower, 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower means this angle is given 45 degree. So our question is find the height of the tower. So this is what is the height of the tower? This is our question. So in this question, with the help of the trigonometric ratios, we can easily solve these questions. How? You just see, as this is your right angle triangle, so with the help of this tan 45 degree is equal to P by B. So here this is P, this is B. So this B is given 30, so P by 30, and tan 45, the value is here 1. So implies that P is equal to also 30. So this is 30 meters. So now we can know that the height of the tower is 30 meters. Understood? So in this way we can solve this question. So it is very easy. Another questions I would like to solve here. Just see, you just note it down. The second question: the shadow of a building standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude becomes 30 degree from 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Tower or building means you just see this is a tower or building and your sun is here. Sun is here. So it is making the shadow. It is making the shadow here. And so this angle becoming what? 30 degree. And when the sun's altitude becomes high, when sun's altitude will be high, means the height will be more. So in that case, what will happen? The shadow will be less longer, or this height will be, the shadow will be less or not. So in this case, the angle will be more. So it will be 45 degree. So when the sun's altitude will be more, means it becomes 30 degree to 45 degree, then the difference between the shadows, the difference between the shadow means this was the earlier shadow, this was the later shadow. So this is the difference between the shadow. This is the difference between the shadow, this point to this point, this line. Sorry, this way I can just make it clear, very easily visible. And the difference between the shadow is here 40 meter. This is 40 meter. 40 meter. So now our question is find the height of the tower. So what is the height of the tower means what is this height? Understood? So one thing we should know here. Let first of all we may name it here so that it will be easy for us. A, B, C and D. So you just see let CD length be given x meter. So accordingly, so height is also AD will also be x meter. Why? Because 1045 means 1, 1045 means 1. So in 45 means 1 means this your AD by CD is equal to 1. AD by CD is equal to 1. So as CD is x, so AD is also x. So CD and AD are x. And now BD equal to, now BD equal to 40 meter plus x meter. Now with the help of trigonometric ratios, what will be the 1030? You just see 1030 equal to your this AD by BD, and we have taken AD as x and BD as 40 plus x, implies that 1030 value is 1 by root 3, which is equal to x by 40 plus x. Now we can solve it here. Root 3x is equal to 40 plus x, implies that root 3x minus x equal to 40. If we take common here, x equal to root 3 minus 1 is equal to 40. So implies that x equal to 40 by root 3 minus 1. This will be our answer. We calculate this with the help of this, the value root 3, and put that value and we can solve. So and finally we can get the answer. So this will be the length of the tower. Understood? So this is the answer of these questions. Now we like to solve another questions. Here, just see the angle of depression. Basing on the angle of depression, I would like to give you one question here. The angle of depression of two ships from the top of a lighthouse are 45 degree and 30 degree. If the ships are 120 meter apart, then find the height of the lighthouse. So just see, this is a lighthouse, this is a lighthouse, this, and there is a ship here, It is a ship here and this is a ship here. So the angle of depression here, this is one ship, this is another ship. So the angle of depression here, you just see what will the angle of depression, I have already told you. So it is, the angle of depression is 30 degree. Here it will be 45 degree. So now basing on this, if we join this, then this angle will be 45 degree and this angle will be 30 degree, because this is alternate interior angle. This is alternate interior angles. That's why, because these both are parallel, ground and this horizontal one. So this is the alternate interior. So this is 30 degree, this is 45 degree. So now we can name this A, B, C, D, and here your, if ships are 120 meter apart, this is given, and we'll have to find out the height of the lighthouse. So this length, CD length is given here 120 meter. Understood? So as we know, here also we may take the AB equal to X, so that your BC will also be X. We have already solved in the previous question that as it is 45 degrees, so it is an isosceles triangle also, and simultaneously with the help of this tan 45 degree also, we can know that tan 45 is equal to 1. So AB by BC is equal to 1. So as AB is equal to X, so BC is also equal to X. I do not want to write much more here because I have already solved this. Now your tan 30 is equal to AB by BD. So here implies that tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and AB equal to X and BD is equal to X plus 120. So implies that root 3x by cross multiplying X plus 120 implies that root 3x minus X equal to 120 implies that X may be taken as common. So root 3 minus 1, which is equal to 120, implies that X equal to 120 by root 3 minus 1 equal to 120 by 0.732. So that will be our answer. So this is the length of this your lighthouse, or height of the lighthouse. Okay. So these are the various questions. Thank you all for today.